Hey guys, welcome back to the Style Chair. Today I'm going to talk about something that not very many people talk about. First of all, this post is non-sponsored. It's just something that I would really like to share with you all. Periods can be really annoying, painful and all of that. But then a lot of us also go through things like rashes. You also have bacterial infections that happen. There are a lot of things that take place. Now, a lot of the reasons why this happens is because we're using synthetic or plastic coated pads, which is not a good idea at all. I didn't really think it was such a big deal. For years on end, I've used a Whisper, Stay Free, and all of that jazz. But of late, the past year or two, I've noticed that I get certain rashes. Just like my skin over a period of time just randomly became sensitive. For some reason, there's something off balance there. So I decided to try Carmesi. Carmesi is supposed to be an all natural sanitary pads and they come with disposable bags. So this one is a pack of 30. It comes with 15 XL and 15 regular size pads. This one is for 749 rupees. I got a 10% discount because I shopped for the first time on their site. And I'm also going to link a referral code for y'all where y'all can get a discount when y'all are shopping on Carmesi. So I will be putting that in the bio below. And I haven't myself seen what a Carmesi pad looks like. So I'm going to unbox this in front of y'all and see what exactly goes inside a Carmesi all natural pad. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very like classy, chic kind of packaging. There's white and black and all that. Of course, it's charged 750, so it better be damn good. So it's very nicely secured box. Instead of, packets lying here and there. Again, no plastic here. So, why are we called Carmesi? Carmesi means crimson, the color of blood, because menstruation isn't a bad word and women don't bleed blue. Take pride in your body. Period. That's great. So this is what the box looks like. You can see all the pads inside. I'm sure the color coding is to show you which are the XL and which are the regular pads. So the black dot ones are basically the ones that are XL. This is what the pad looks like. This is the disposable bag, which is great. So you can actually just later dispose it off in that. So that's how it is. I'm sure you can just stick it back later. So this is what exactly the pad looks like. It's plasticky, but it's obviously not plastic. It's made of all natural stuff. The packaging is pretty much like any other sanitary pad that you can see, but the material feels so different. It literally feels like you're opening paper. Even the plastic doesn't feel like plastic. It has a regular sticker there, so you need to just open that. So that is that. I'm actually going to keep this so I can use it. Even the cover isn't plastic, it's a very different material. This is the regular pad, pretty much the same, obviously the size a little smaller. So my mom was pretty shocked that I spent 750 bucks on pads. I mean, in those days you used to get a big pack of at least 10 pads in 50 bucks. This is when I was at my period, good 15, more than that, almost 18 years back. And she was like, what the hell, 750 bucks on a box of pads? So let's see if this is worth it. I'm going to use it for a few days and then I'm going to tell you about it. But yeah, I do kind of like fancy things. But most importantly, my idea was to sort out certain issues. And if the pad and the plastic is responsible for that, or rather the synthetic is responsible for that, then why not take care of your body? Because certain things are very important. So those are things where you can spend money. Hey guys, so I had my first period with my Carmesi. And I have to say the experience was really good. First of all, the material is really thin. You literally feel sometimes like you're not wearing anything, which is not a good thing though. But no, of course it's a great thing. It's very lightweight. There's one thing that's really funny that I'm going to compare it to. Sometimes you hear these plasticky sound of your pad when you're moving or you're doing something. That wasn't there obviously at all because it's so paper thin, the material. Soaking up wise or flow wise, it soaks up exactly the same as any other pad would. So it's great for heavy flow as well, which is why you have the XL pads. It's not scented. A lot of other pads are scented, it's not scented. I did not have any sort of rash problem, nothing. There was no stickiness, there was nothing. I absolutely love the fact that they had those disposable bags that I have, and it's biodegradable, so it really works. whether you're traveling or you're just putting it in your bag, whether you just slip it out of your bag, if you just take it in your hand and walk into the washroom, even if you're out somewhere, you're not feeling as weird. Not that it's anything to feel weird about, but also you have something to throw it in, so you're not really being messy, and you don't have to wrap it up in a paper anymore. So that's great. The only downside was that because it's so thin and it's not like synthetic material, it doesn't stick so well. So there were times when the bag kind of came off, like the wings would come off, which I wasn't too happy with. But otherwise, I really love the bags. I would definitely get this box again. This was like $750 for about 30 bags. So I'm guessing this will last me at least 3 months, which is not so bad. $250 investing in your own personal hygiene is really important, and it's actually hardly a price to pay. So yeah, this is my whole experience with my Carmesi. This is not a sponsored post, but it's just something that I'm sure a lot of people don't talk about, and I thought I should share it with all of y'all, and it will come really handy to a lot of you girls who may be facing similar issues as me, or just want to take your personal hygiene to another level. So I hope you really liked the video. It's something very different that I've spoken about. I've not really spoken about lingerie or any sort of intimate talk, but this was more hygiene based. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you find this useful, if you have any sort of comments, you want to share your experience, leave in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and switch on the notifications by hitting the bell icon next to subscribe. See you all in the next video.